This is an overview of the Halo Development Suite in conjunction with the Microsoft Studio Suite, which work basically hand in hand to develop the applications that you want. We will point out that we have three basic development regions. One we call the WPF. The counterpart in Halo is Pizzazz. It uses Windows Presentation Foundation forms, which have DirectX capability to the gamer graphic card, which makes zooming in and out of high-res elements work very well. Has the speed of an Xbox 360 and many functions, 3D, translucencies, layering, and many other animation functions that are built into the WPF. Then we have the standard Windows form, which you've come to know in things like Excel and Word for Windows and so on, which is a basic functional environment, which we use mostly for data entry screens, as well as creating data tables and making high-end applications. And then there's the web environment, which is backed up by ASP, Active Server Pages, meaning a server is watching the page and being able to deliver data, authenticate data, and so on, and do things beyond what the standard web page could just be limited to, as well as deliver all the standard web pages of HTML. So Studio is getting better. It's getting more open sourced, more available now to run under Windows, Linux, and Apple. And with it, it has 6,500 libraries of methods. And the methods are way over 400,000 at this point. All available to use in your application, as well as it will utilize all the open sources and all the code that you write. So you get yourself into a powerful position as a programmer to do almost anything you want. At the same time, when a business is trying to do its application, it may want to do it almost codelessly. It might want to make a data entry screen codelessly. It might want to make a website codelessly. It might want to make a presentation codelessly, as I am doing right now. And so we have the Bridge Halo suite that lets you get many things done without the tedious maintenance of tens of thousands of lines of programmer code, which if you want to make a change, you must be able to edit, understand, and so on. And with the new dynamic Halo, we have the ability to deliver tasks like you would find at the top of an Excel spreadsheet, the different tools or tasks, and you'd be able to do them through all three platforms, codelessly or in Studio, dynamically at runtime without having compiled them into your application. And this is the greatest future for development, which turns what was once only doable by programmers to something a businessman can learn to do quickly. When I say quickly, he can take an evening class on Bridge IDE and learn how to make Windows forms without a programmer. He can take Pizzazz and learn how to make not only gamer-esque environments, but they already translate into ASP automatically. So does the Bridge. You can make a Windows form and it'll translate automatically to a web form. No longer having to do it 3 times. Using the antiquated code that most people are using right now and don't even know anything else is available. And then there's Active Server Pages as well. And somebody may want to make their whole thing just run under browsers. Well, we have all of that now. We do data design and do. We can do it codelessly and interoperably. And to support that interoperability and that codelessness and that dynamic delivery of tasks, we have a cloud operating system or environment, we call it Halo Operating Environment, which dynamically delivers these tasks to and the applications themselves to people's machines without needing the traditional install, so that they cache up the programs and run them on the different devices and recognize even what device they have to give them proper versions if there are variations. So we hope you will take the time to watch some of the videos. One of the funnest we start with is the Excel report generator. We have turned that into a report generator for databases that's very easy to use, and it can provide reports for all three of our environments. So with this, we hope you'll start to discover that you can do more. You can create to resell. You can represent our products and get commissions as you master each of them for as a sales rep. And we hope that you'll want to watch all 12 of our 3 to 5 minute videos that explain each of our separate tools, and we recommend you start with the Excel report generator. Thank you.